with Sean from McCormacks.
How are you, mate?
Mate, I thought I'd have a chat to you about the McCormacks business. But yeah, you know, get a little more insight into you guys as a company.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
McCormacks, where are you located? And tell me a bit about the business.
So we're located on the north side of Brisbane at Sandgate. Been in business for just over 65 years now. We're into the third generation with the fourth generation coming through. Current generation is Bodie McCormack, who took over from his father, Peter McCormack. So originally started off as a panel and mechanical business, and over the years have just expanded further into the automotive industry, now including four-wheel drive accessories, paint booths still, and we also do auto electrical work at the same time.
So you and your brother are like adopted sons out there?
Pretty much, yeah.
At the show, I know you got a new product. What is it?
So we've been developing and thinking about a new product to release in the market for ages, and the biggest key was storage, recovery and solar. So storage is a big issue on a lot of vehicles, so we've launched what we call the Expedition Recovery Box and the Expedition Solar Box. So the way they got their names is the solar box has a permanent fixtured mounted solar panel in a 70 and an 80 watt that goes on top of it, but has storage space inside and then can go on the roof, so you get the best of both worlds. The other one is the recovery box, so you can actually mount 2 or 4 max tracks or treads on top, but you still again have full capabilities to store parts inside there, and you're just maximising what you can get in storage and use of the roof racks at the same time. So
where can people find out more about McCormacks?
So if you want to find more about us, you can go to mccormacks4wd.com.au or send an email to sales@mccormacks4wd.com.au, or head on down to the show here this weekend, site EB301, and come chat to the team.